Today we will be learning some phrasal verbs which are often used in business meetings or conversations or discussions. And we know phrasal verb is a verb plus preposition and it changes the meaning of the entire expression. Watch full video and get a pro tip. Let's begin with the first one. Chime in, meaning to interject or to join or to add your opinion to an ongoing conversation. It also acts as an interruption. Example, while we were discussing vacation spots, I decided to chime in with recommendation for Goa. One more example, can I chime in to elaborate further on this topic? Follow-up, meaning, check something again, continue contact after first discussion. Example, I'll follow up on the client's proposal tomorrow. Join in, meaning to join or take part or participate. Example, would you like to join in our next session? Call off, meaning cancel. Example, the meeting with the new manager was called off at the last minute. Take on, meaning to hire or recruit or employ workers or employer. Example, the new company will take on more workers for its new site. Measure up, meaning meet the expectations or standards or good enough. Example, does Sam measure up to the new role assigned to him? Step down, meaning leave or resign or retire from a job or position. Example, the CEO of the company has stepped down due to his ill health. Set up, meaning arrange, organize, or establish something. Example, can you set up a call with the vendor for Friday? Branch out, meaning expand or grow. It can be markets or location or service or products. Example, this food outlet is branching out to other cities too. Carry out, meaning perform a task or complete a plan or order. Example, our team will carry out the market research this quarter. Now practice to understand. Comment your answers. So what are you waiting for? Let's join in for next class. If this lesson helped you in any way, then comment below. And subscribe today for easy grammar lessons. If you are watching on Facebook, then follow for more. Happy learning.